Hello everyone. A major change has just reshaped how old debts are handled, and it could directly impact anyone dealing with past financial obligations. Let's talk about the waiver of the statute of limitations. When a debt has been inactive for several years and passes its statutory deadline, the debtor earns the right to refuse payment. This is a legal benefit designed to protect people from indefinite financial pressure. But until recently, if someone made any payment on that expired debt, even a small one, the courts would automatically assume they gave up that right. That all changed on July 24, 2025, when the Korean Supreme Court issued a groundbreaking ruling. In this case, a fisherman named Mr. A borrowed 240 million won. By the time he paid 18 million won in interest, part of that debt was already past the statute of limitations. When foreclosure proceedings began, the creditor argued that his partial payment meant he'd waived his rights. Lower courts agreed, but the Supreme Court didn't. The court ruled that repayment alone isn't enough. From now on, judges must determine whether the debtor truly understood the debt was time-barred and intentionally chose to pay it anyway. This is a massive shift because it protects people who may have repaid out of confusion under pressure from collectors, or simply without legal advice. In short, the waiver of the statute of limitations is no longer automatic. It must be proven, not presumed. If you've made payments on an expired debt, you might still have legal protection depending on whether you knowingly waived your rights. Collectors can't just use partial payments to demand full repayment anymore. If you're facing this situation, consult a legal professional.